Welcome to our iMonitor tutorial video series. With this guide, we would like to introduce you to the features and the settings of the iMonitor. In this episode, we explore the general structure of the iMonitor user interface. The iMonitor consists of a main view, which you currently see, and a setup menu. To access the setup menu, simply tap on the spanner icon in the lower left corner. The main view contains up to 4 display areas, has a navigation bar on the left and, depending on the opened window, a second one on the right side of the screen. In addition, an information bar at the bottom of the screen. The left navigation bar gives you access to all available applications of the iMonitor. To open an application, tap the corresponding icon. To expand the mini view of the full screen mode, slide the window to the right or tap the icon in the upper right corner. This will swap the new application with the one already open in full screen mode. If necessary, you can close the mini views again by moving them to the left towards the navigation bar. Depending on the active application, there is a second navigation bar on the right side, with which you can make detailed settings in the open application. But more about this later. The information bar at the bottom of the screen, also called the dashboard, provides a quick view of the specific information. By tapping on it, you can customize the information displayed to suit your specific needs. Additionally, you can customize the panels that appear by tapping on the respective sections during setup. The Track Guidance activation button is also located on the right side. Now let's explore the 5 most important applications in detail one by one. The tractor icon takes you to the tractor settings. Here, in addition to the engine and transmission settings, all hydraulics as well as power lift settings can be made. It also provides access to Comfort Tip Pro headland management. The guidance menu allows you to set up and monitor automatic guidance. The terminal icon opens the universal terminal, which provides access to all the connected ISOBUS devices, including aux-N settings. The icon with the arrows and the cloud is dedicated to data management. This allows you to connect your tractor to the Agra router to transfer data wirelessly. The icon with the fuel pump and the field opens the performance monitor, where you can check, among other things, fuel consumption and work data. Other buttons are System Information, Job Information, DGPS Details, and the System Diagnostics. If not all icons are visible, you can also move the bar vertically. In the lower left corner, above the spanner icon, you will find the Inventory Manager. This allows you to efficiently manage all data, sorted by category, stored on the iMonitor or, if available, on a USB stick. This covers the general overview of the iMonitor applications. Discover also our other videos to learn useful tips and tricks about the iMonitor.